learn methods in Java. In Java, the methods are used. Different types of methods are used. A method is a block of code that performs a specific task in Java. It consists of a method signature and a body. The method signature includes the method name, return type, and parameter list. The return type specifies the data type of the value returned by the method. The parameter list specifies the input parameters of the method. The method body contains the code statements that define the functionality. For example, method signature. The method name specifies the name of the method. Return type, and here the return type describes the return type, which type of data should be returned. It specifies it. Parameters list, the parameters which we are going to use in that method are declared here. Access modifiers. The access modifiers are the keywords used to set the accessibility of class, variables, methods, and constructors. There are mainly 4 access modifiers named as public, private, protected, and default. Default package is also includes inside color private. Public access. Public accessible to all classes and packages. Public access modifiers are accessible by all the packages and all the methods, because it open to all, whereas private accessible only within the same class. Private variables or private methods are accessible only in between that method. Outside the method, it cannot be accessible. Protected accessible within the same